Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss 11th physics lesson number 11, electric current through conductors, numericals part 2. If you have not seen part 1, the link is given in the description box. Let us start with the next question. A silver wire has a resistance of 4.2 ohm at 27 degrees Celsius and resistance 5.4 ohm at 100 degree Celsius. Determine the temperature coefficient of resistance. Two resistance at different temperature is given. We want to find out the temperature coefficient of resistance. First, we will write what is given. Given R1 is equal to 4.2 ohm. T1 is 27 degrees Celsius. R2 is 5.4 ohm. T2 is 100 degrees Celsius. We want to find out temperature coefficient. To find temperature coefficient, that is alpha. We know that the formula for temperature coefficient is alpha is equal to R2 minus R1 upon R1 into T2 minus T1. On substituting the values, we will get the solution. That is alpha is equal to R2 is 5.4 minus 4.2 upon R1 is 4.2 into 100 minus 27. That is equal to 5.4 minus 4.2 is 1.2. 1.2 divided by 4.2 into 100 minus 27 is 73. Okay. On solving this, we will get alpha is equal to 3.91 into 10 raised to minus 3 per degree Celsius. This is the temperature coefficient. I hope you all understood the solution. Let us solve the next question. A 6 meter long wire has diameter 0.5 millimeter. Its resistance is 50 ohm. Find the resistivity and conductivity. A length is given. L is equal to 6 meter. Diameter is 0.5 millimeter. So radius is half of this. 0.5 divided by 2 is 0.25 millimeter. That is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Resistance is 50 ohm. Now we want to find out resistivity and conductivity. That is, resistivity is rho, conductivity is sigma. Okay, we know that. The formula for resistivity is rho is equal to Ra upon L. Here radius is given, so we can find out the area, or we can write pi r square instead of A upon L. And sigma is the, that is conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. Okay. Solution, that is rho is equal to R is 50 into 3.14 into R square, 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 the whole square upon L is 6. Okay, 50 into 3.14 into 0.25 the whole square divided by 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 will come. On solving this, we will get 1.636 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. This is the resistivity. Now, conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity, but that is 1 upon rho, that is 1 upon 1.636 into 10 raised to minus 6, or 10 raised to 6 upon 1.636 is equal to 6.157 into 10 raised to 5 ohm meter raised to minus 1. This is the conductivity. I hope you have understood the solution. Let us solve the next question. Next question is, find the value of resistance for the following color code. Here color code is given. We have to find out the value of resistance. Okay, we know that the formula to find out the value of resistance is xy into 10 raised to z plus or minus t percent, that is tolerance. T is the tolerance. This much on this is a formula. Here a chart is given and its values are also given. First two colors represent the value. Third one, that is first two is x and y. Third one, we have to write it as the power of 10. And the last one, that is the tolerance. Tolerance for gold is plus or minus 5%. Silver is plus or minus 10%. So let us start with the solution. Blue, from this chart you can see the value of blue is 6. Okay. So for blue it is 6. Green is 5. Okay, this is x, y, and next one is z. Z we have to write as the power of 10. Okay, so 10 raised to, red is 2. 10 raised to 2 will come, and the tolerance for gold is plus or minus 5. So we can write the value of resistance is 65 into 10 raised to 2 plus or minus 5% ohm. That is equal to 65 into 10 raised to 2 means 6,500 will come, or we can write 6.5 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. This is the value of resistance. Let us solve the next question. Brown. Brown is 1. Black is, next is black. Black is 0. Next is red. Red we have to, that is third color. Third one we have to write as the power of 10, that is 10 raised to 2 will come. And silver, tolerance is plus or minus 10%. Okay, so this we can write as 10 into 10 raised to 2 plus or minus 10% will come. That is equal to 1000 will come. So this one we can write as 1 kilo ohm plus or minus 10%. This is the value of resistance. Next one, red, red, orange. Red we know the value is 2. That is 2, 2. Next is 10 raised to, orange is 3. Gold tolerance is plus or minus 5. So we can write this as 22 into 10 raised to 3 plus or minus 5 ohm. Okay. That is equal to 22 into 10 raised to 3 means after 22, 3 zeros will come. That we can write as kilo. So this is equal to 22 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. This is the value of resistance. Fourth one is orange. Value is 3. White is 9. So white is 9. Red 10 raised to 2 plus or minus 5. That is equal to 39 into 10 raised to 2 plus or minus 5 ohm. Okay. Or we can write 3.9 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. Next is yellow. Yellow is 4. Violet is 7. Brown. Brown is 10 raised to 1 will come. Silver is plus or minus 10. So we can write this as 47 into 10 raised to 1 is 10 only. So 47 into 10 is 470 plus or minus 10%. This much. Ohm. That is equal to 470 ohm plus or minus 10%. I hope you all understood this solution. Let us solve the next question. Now next, we have to find out the color code for the following value of resistor, each having tolerance plus or minus 10. First one is here, value is given, we have to find out the color. 330 ohm. Okay, we know first two represent the first two, one colors represent the value, third one as power of 10. 3 is orange. Okay, so this first one is orange, second one also orange, third one 0. 0 means into 10. 10 raised to 1 should come. 1 is for brown. So this is for brown. And then tolerance it is given 100%. Okay, so this we can write color as orange, orange, brown, and then tolerance is given silver. Okay, 10%, plus or minus 10 is for silver. So silver will come. I hope you all understood. Second one is 100 ohm. 1 is for brown. Okay. Now second digit is 0. 0 is for black. Third one into 10. Okay, that is 10 raised to 1. That is brown. And tolerance is 10%. So this we can write as brown, black, brown, silver. This is the color code. Third one is 47 kilo ohm. Kilo means 10 raised to 3 will come. 10 raised to 3 ohm. Okay. 4 is yellow. 7 is violet. 10 raised to 3. 3 is orange. Okay, so this one we can write. Color code is yellow, violet, orange, silver. Okay. Next one is fourth one. 160 ohm. So 1 is for brown. 6 is for blue. And 0 means into 10. So that is brown. Okay. So we can write the color code as brown, blue, brown, silver. Next is fifth one. 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm means 1,000 will come. Okay. 1,000. 1,000 means first two digit for the value. Second one should come as the power of 10. So this we can write 10 raised to 2. 10 into 10 raised to 2. So 1 is for brown, 0 for black, 2 for red. So we can write this one color code as brown, black, red, and silver. I hope you all understood the solution. Let us solve the next question. A current 4 ampere flows through an automobile headlight. How many electrons flow through the headlight in a time 2 hours? So here, current flowing through a headlight is given. That is current I is equal to 4 ampere. Time is given 2 hours. T is equal to 2 hours. To convert it into second, 2 into 60 into 60. That much seconds will come. We have to find out how many electrons. That means n we want to find out. To find number of electrons, n. We know that the formula for current is current I is equal to Q by T, or Q is equal to NE. That is NE upon T. We want to find out N from this. So N is equal to IT upon E. On substituting the values, we will get the solution. That is N is equal to I is 4 into time is 2 into 60 into 60 upon charge of electron we know E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay. On solving this, we will get 1.8 into 10 raised to 23. This is the value of N. Number of electrons flow through the headlight. Let us solve the next question. The heating element connected to 230 volt draws a current of 5 ampere. Determine the amount of heat dissipated in 1 hour. 1 joule is equal to 4.2 joule per calorie. Heating element connected to 230 volt. So here volt is given, V is equal to 230. Current is given 5 ampere. Time is 1 hour. 1 hour, that is 1 into 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, we want to find out the heat dissipated, that is H. We know that the formula for heat dissipated is equal to power into time. Power P is equal to VI. So VI into VIT will come. Okay. On substituting the values, we will get the solution. That is H is equal to V is 230. I is 5 ampere into T is 60 into 60. Okay. On solving this, we will get 4.14 into 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6 joules will go. Okay. Now, here 1 calorie is given. 1 joule is equal to 4.2 joule per calorie. We want to convert it into calorie. Heat dissipated in calorie is equal to heat dissipated in calorie. That is H is equal to 4.14 into 10 raised to 6 upon 4.2. On solving this, we will get 985.7 into 10 raised to 3 calorie. This is the heat dissipated in calorie. I hope you all understood. If you like the video, please do comment And don't forget to share with your friends and classmates.